MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a new 2023 Scout 195 Sport Dorado. As you'll see in the photos, the boat does have the black hull sides. It's powered by a 115 Mercury 4-stroke. You have two jump seats here at the transom with rod holders behind, two independent captain chairs, and these are each on sliders so you can adjust them or rotate them. Some storage underneath the console in front of the companion seat, a lockable glove box, two cup holders here. You have a nice flush mount space to put electronics. This boat does not have a GPS unit in it currently, but we can put one in. Fusion stereo with speakers. You have a battery switch. Boat is outfitted with trim tabs, and you have the LED trim tab indicator. Up here in front of each console, you do have a nice forward-facing loungers with storage underneath each, and that is hinge storage. Bow cushion up in the bow of the boat, and you do have a nice big storage locker here. Designated anchor locker up on the bow of the boat. And just a ton of storage, ton of seating, great family boat, great combination of fishing and cruising. Nice big bimini top for sunshade. That's a real quick look at our 2023